very nice. If you look all the rock, red rock. See, this is very, very, very nice. We're close to the Hoover Dam. Because about this pandemic, look, the restroom here, it's closed. So we're close to the Hoover Dam. So we'll see if they are closed also there. If halfway close. This is the Hoover Dam.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a bridge.
This is the bridge. That is very nice bridge. So later we will you're gonna see the Hoover Dam. Look that bridge. It's very nice. So welcome to Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. So this is it. We are here now in Hoover Dam. But it's not lots of people here. It's not same last year. So look. So
This is the elevators to take the tour.
yeah. So it's not lots of people here, guys. Not lots of people come over here right now. Before, this is lots of people here. And because about pandemic, so that's why it's not lots of people here. And over there, they have a clock there for Nevada time and Arizona time. That one. Then we're gonna cross to Arizona, guys. Here, this is Arizona. We're close to across to Arizona. So Nevada. And this is the Arizona time here. So we're gonna be in Arizona, guys. Look. It's not same last year. Last year they have lots of people here. Oh
Before
really?
it comes over this, they raise these
Okay.
to block the water off. Till it gets, when it gets that high, they drop it.
Wow. So look all that the water level now, it's going down. You see the mark for the water, the high one. Now it's very, very low, the water of this Hoover Dam. I could not imagine it's gonna be very low. So that is the working the generator right now.
Generators are running.
Generators running.
They would shut them down, that water would stop and it would dry.
Okay. So need to run the generator.
Right, they're running it. But to run it by water, not gas. They're making power,
Okay.
making electricity.
Okay.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never